My name is Kyle Melvin, and I'm your tire and service expert. Today we're going to be talking about flex pipes. Now, flex pipes are a very common method of exhaust systems on most vehicles. It kind of lays typically behind the motor, and what it does is as you drive, when the motor isolates up and down going through the gear bands, or when you're in park, when you're going from park to reverse and drive, you actually feel the motor isolate. Now what that does is it applies pressure down, and the exhaust has a flex point. I kind of tell a lot of people, imagine a paper clip, you bend it 100 times up and down, eventually it's going to break. It just gets old, it gets worn out, and the metal gets weak. So here's a quick example of what a flex pipe and how it breaks. Now right here, if you actually see, this is a flex pipe. Flex pipe right here, it actually isolates up and down. The most common issue is rust and corrosion builds up around this bracket. If I slide this back, you'll actually see where it has broke. Now what that does is if I start the car, you would hear a lot of noise, kind of like a brrrr, sound like a go-kart. It's very common, it happens. Overall, this exhaust system runs all the way back, but that is a common thing that happens in this industry. That is an example of a broken flex pipe. My name is Kyle Melvin. I'm a tire and service expert. Thanks for watching. Like it, subscribe, leave a comment.